To check your hotspot data usage on the T-Mobile app, first download the app from the App Store or Google Play and log in. Then go to the Account tab. Select Usage, then Hotspot and Tethering. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your hotspot data consumption. The app updates every 15 minutes for active sessions, providing near real-time tracking. This feature is available for all T-Mobile postpaid customers and is crucial for monitoring data use when sharing your phone's internet connection. T-Mobile's app offers a dedicated tethering tab to view hotspot data separately from regular cellular data. You can also set custom alerts for when you reach certain data usage thresholds, like 50% or when nearing data caps. Configure these alerts in the app under Settings and Notifications to receive push notifications, in-app alerts, or SMS messages. These alerts help you avoid unexpected slowdowns, especially on unlimited plans with high-speed data caps, and prevent overage charges on limited plans.